Hey everybody, it's Vacation here, Tom with Elena, and today we are at the happiest place on earth. That's right, the Magic Kingdom. How glorious. We have come to ride Buzz Lightyear for the first time since the redo. Very excited. I will record it. I will be shooting with one hand. I still expect to beat Elena.
I win.
I don't know. But first, I think we're going to ride Haunted Mansion. We haven't ridden it yet this year, which is, it blows my mind that that's the case, but it is the case. So let's go do that. Ride Buzz. Join us for this very magical adventure.
Let's go.
It's Sunday, April 26th. Park open at 10 o'clock or 9 o'clock. It's 10:16. And Haunted Mansion is posted at 20 minutes. So let's go see if it actually is. If it is or not, it doesn't matter. We're riding it. So if it says 20, I'm willing to wait. Even if it's correct, I'm willing to wait that much. So let's go. Haunted Mansion, here we come. So it's now, once we got here, started, it's posted at 25 minutes. I believe that's what that says. Like I said, the app did say 20 when we started making our way over here, but as the morning people get out of bed, like us, and show up to the park, the wait times shall rise. Rise from the dead. So, let's get on our first ride of Haunted Mansion for the year. Oh, that is so pathetic.
If you decide to join us, make final arrangements now.
All right, we got off of Haunted Mansion. It was glorious. It was posted at 25, and it was actually 25 minutes, so it was right on the money. Buzz is still coming in at 25 minutes posted, so we're gonna try to get there. We'll see how it goes. Kind of interesting. It says Small World's 5, but the line is backed up here, so that's not 5 minutes. Peter Pan is posted at 40 minutes. It's a beautiful day. I am so happy to be here with mi amor, mi esposa. Es muy bien. The bubbles. I miss the bubbles. I need the bubbles every day. I don't know. Buzz looks like it's got quite the line for 25-minute wait, but we shall see. Where's the end of the line? It's odd they don't have someone stationed here to tell you where the end of the line is. Oh, here he comes. Okay. Well, we shall see. All right, well, Buzz is posted at 25 minutes. But there's quite the outdoor queue, so we'll see how long it actually is. Okay, we're going inside. I suspect the wait won't be too long once we're inside this building. But I don't know, I think I heard the queue is essentially the same. So we'll see. It's been about 27 minutes, so we're already over the 25. So it took about, the posted wait time took that much time to get into the proper queue, essentially. So, let's see.
Those cells belong to powerless. At the mercy of Sir. Star Command confirms you're all battle ready recruits. All right, rookie Space Rangers, listen up. Mid Squadron will retrieve the power cell. While the rest of you concentrate on those robots. We'll rendezvous at Planet C. I will communicate with Star Command to coordinate our mission. Battle stations, report to the flight deck for immediate launch. Through infinity and beyond. Stand by.
All right, here we go. So we'll say 34. Say 34 minutes. Well, we'll go 35 minutes because there we go. All right, here we go. I'm gonna need it because I'm gonna record and Elena's gonna do the thing. So, like, see now the guns you can take out. See me more. Look.
All right, you got the stick. Make sure Zerg's plans fail to launch. Oh, and how to blast. Final checks. Test your blasters. Oh.
All right, we're at 100 each. Oh wait. Need more. The other way. The other way. This way. Need more. Turn it this way. Stay this way.
Keep it up. Star Command believes in you. And so do I. Everyone, stay together. Stay laser focused on your laser smoking. Keep blasting those bugs.
Even if you're not hitting anything, you still get points when you shoot.
Attention Space Rangers. Your star cruisers have been temporarily deactivated.
Let's
For your
see.
safety, please remain seated.
Oh wait, oh wait.
We'll resume
She's getting
momentarily.
points. No fair, I'm not getting any points.
Keep firing, Space Rangers.
I'm not getting any points in this room at all. I don't think I can get points from this room. All right, I gotta go back here because I'm not getting any points.
Attention Space Rangers. Your mission will resume immediately. For your safety, please remain seated.
So here we go.
Keep firing, Space Rangers. Zerg's super weapon is here to destroy. Green Squadron, secure your power cells for transport.
I'll steer you in. You're all rocket stars. Kick back, I'll bring you into land.
All right, there you go. 363, 65, 173.
Oh my god, it's cool.
Mission accomplished, Space Rangers. Ready to step forward to review your rank. As always,
Let's see. I'm Space Ace, and Elena is planetary pilot. Good job, mi amor. Good job. Here. Very nice.
Space Rangers, this is Buzz Lightyear. Congratulations on a successful mission. You saved the galaxy from Zurg's evil plan, and you did it with style. By order of Star Command, I promote you to Planetary Pilot and Space Ace. You've shown what it means to be a true Space Ranger. We're proud of you. Until the next mission, to infinity and beyond!
Galaxy secured. Whoa, gee. I guess I should have watched my step. Let's get over here.
That lady would rent the camera.
You're very involved. That was awesome. Much improved. I very much enjoy this experience over the other one. Yeah, this will become a regular, a staple in the lineup now when I come to this park, if the line isn't too long, of course. So like I said, I was like 35 minutes, maybe a hair longer, because it was down there for a little extended period of time, but for the most part, it wasn't too bad. So that is awesome. Well, that'll be the end of this short little adventure. We accomplished our goals. We rode Buzz. Of course, I won. Maybe next time you'll win. We also got to ride the Haunted Mansion, and we also got to ride the People Mover and the Carousel Progress. Oh my God, I love that ride. So it was a very nice time. But we're out of here. It's after lunch, and we're actually gonna leave and do something else for lunch other than say here to eat. So I guess until the next live stream, podcast, or vlog, keep making memories. Magic Kingdom. Memories. See ya. Thanks for watching the Vacationers Podcast YouTube channel. If you enjoy this content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you'll be notified when new content drops.
Also, swing by vacationerspodcast.com for vlogs, videos, and much more, including links to listen to our podcast, Vacationers, Theme Parks, and more. Or you can find it on your favorite podcast streamer. Would you like to know what I'm up to? Well, follow me on X, formerly known as Twitter, where I post anytime I am out and about. Well, that's probably enough plugging for now. So until the next live stream, podcast, or vlog, keep making memories.